Hi Edgar, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi mate, happy birthday Keka. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ka all the best in your life. Ingat na mo and enjoy. Kamusta ko nga Ken? Bye.
Hi Pudra, happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best and good health and God bless. Say hi.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bap, happy 60th birthday po. More blessings po kay kayo tsaka makaba pa pong biye. Ingat lagi Bap. Happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday to the kind and handsome uncle. Happy birthday to you, Bob. Sana ingega ng wish mo, ingega ng dream mo mga tupad nan. And I know yung metong karing wish mo is munta ka miras ka kay in Dubai. So see you soon. Happy birthday, Bob. God bless you and keep smiling. Love you. God bless. Bye. I miss you all.
Papa Edgar, happy birthday. Ingwis mo kaya ka, good health, at dakal pang birthday at datang.
Hello, Lolo Edgar. We just pray for your health and we pray that you have a really amazing birthday and we pray that may God do good things for your life.
Happy
birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo Edgar. God bless you and we wish you good health and long life. Happy birthday. Mwah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 60th birthday kaya ka. Sana din na nakapang dakal birthday ng akong gino. Akong masigal pa may katawan. Maging masayang special day mo. Ang poring naging bisita mo manood kayo ng video ngayon. Happy birthday kaya ka and God bless. Happy birthday ba? Hindi na. Kamusta na ako ngayon, Ken? Managay na Ken. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi nga na ako.
Happy birthday, Edgar. Wishing you all the best and stay happy, healthy, and pogi.
Edgar, happy birthday! Happy 60! Sagli na 60 na ka. Nano ha? Maganda kang card. Bakit yung discount? Kumara kang card ganyan. O sige, kumusta na ka rin kaparal yung video kayo ni parang bisita mo. Sana maging masaya ang birthday ayun. O sige, happy birthday. Kumusta ang puti kayo?
Kapatid, happy 60th birthday kaya ka. Dakala salamat kin pamagaruga mo kaya kami nga dong minda. Salamat. Ayak papalpa salamat. Uling magkaapo ka pa kayo. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday! Happy birthday, Tay. Mag-enjoy ka mo yan yung birthday mo and stay healthy mo lagi. I love you.
Happy birthday to. Stay healthy. And kauli ko, dakal Krispy Kreme. love you.